Hello viewers, so welcome as we solve this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. We have 8 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x is equals to 192. So let's begin with the solution. So in our solution, so this one is what we have. So 8 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x is equals to 192. So the first thing that we are going to do, we shall factorize 8 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x. So that means now we shall have 8 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 192. So now we shall now have 8 to the power of x, close the bracket, 1 plus 1 is 2, is equals to 192. Now from there, now we want to remain with 8 to the power of x. So now we shall be forced to divide both sides by 2. So here now by 2, here now by 2. So 2 and 2 shall cancel. So now 8 to the power of x is equals to 96. So because now we want to change 96 to the base of 8, which is impossible. So we shall now have to introduce the logarithms. So now we shall now have the log of 8 to the power of x is equals to the power of 96. So now the log of 8 to the power of x can also be written as x log 8 is equals to the log of 96. So from here now we can go further by now dividing both sides by the log of 8 so that we remain with x on this other end. So now we shall divide both sides by the log of 8, this side also by the log of 8, so that the log of 8 and the log of 8 shall cancel. So now we shall have x is equals to the log of 96 all over the log of the log of 8. Okay, so now x can also, so we don't stop there. Now say that we can further work out this, the log of 96. So x is equals to, so the log of 96 can also be written as 8 multiplied by 12 all over the log of 8. So from there now we can split this equation and now saying that now x is equals to the log of 8, this one all over this one, the log of 8, so all over the log of, then now the sign shall change to addition, plus the log of 12 all over the log of 8. So now from there now we shall say now our x is equals to the log of 8 and the log of 8 shall cancel, so we shall have 1 plus the log of 12 all over the log of 8. So we shall now proceed and say that, so we shall have x is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 12 can also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 4, then you close the bracket, all over the log of 8. So now we can now say that x is equals to 1 plus, so we can now split this equation and now say that 1 plus the log of 3 all over the log of 8. Then instead of writing the multiplication, we shall have plus the log of 4 all over the log of 8. So all over the log of 8. So now x is equals to, so now we shall have 1 plus the log of 3 all over, so the log of 8 can also be written as the log of, so we shall now have the log of 2 to the power of 3, because in this case now we shall have 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. That's why we shall write it log as log of 2 to the power of 3. So plus the log of 4 can also be written as 2 to the power of 2 all over the log of 2 to the power of 3. So our next step now shall now say now, so our x is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 3 there all over, so the log of 2 to the power of 3 can also be written as 3 log 2, then plus the log of 2 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2 log 2 all over the log of 2 to the power of 3 can also be written as 3 log 2. So now we shall now conclude and now say now our x now is equals to 1 plus, so this one now we shall have a third 1 over 3 log 1 over 3 log 3 all over log 2. Then now we shall have us, this shall be 2/3, that is 2 over 3. So the log 2 and the log 2 shall cancel. So I want us to arrange this problem now, and now we shall now say that now our x is equals to 1, this one, then plus, so here now we have what is called the 1 plus 2 over 3, this one, I've just brought this to this side, then plus a third log 3 to base 2. So we can also simplify this problem and now have it as, so we can work out this fraction and the LCM is 3, then now 3 goes into 1 3 times, then plus 3 goes into 3 once and 2, then plus a third the log of 3 to base 2. So now our x now is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3 plus a third the log of 3 to base 2. So now this one now shall be our value of x. So we can confirm this equation by now saying that our value we had was 8 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x is equals to 192. So you can confirm this by now saying that 8 now to the power of 5 over 3 plus a third log 3 to base 2, then plus 8 to the power of 5 over 3 plus a third the log of 3 to base 2 is equals to 192. So now from here now we have 8 to the power of 5 over 3. This one we are writing as 8 cube, and 8 cube is 2. Now we shall have 2 to the power of 5 here, then plus a third the log of 3 to base 2 here, then plus this side also we have the cube of 8, which is 2 to the power of 5, then plus a third the log of 3 to base 2 is equals to 192. So 2 to the power of 5, the answer that now we shall have is 32. Then plus will be now written as multiplication. So this and this shall cancel, so times 3. Then again plus 32 multiplied by 3, because this and this shall cancel, is equals to 192. So now we shall have 32 multiplied by 3, we shall have our answer as 96. Here plus 96 is equals to 192. So 96 plus 96 is 192, is equals to 192. So our answer is finally correct.